Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate hub for all things tech and transport. Today we are diving into the world of commuter scooters, showcasing the top 7 models that promise to transform your daily travels into a breeze. Whether you are navigating city streets or looking for a sustainable commute, we have got you covered. From sleek designs to powerhouse performances, we are about to unfold the best scooters that blend innovation with convenience. So, let's kickstart this journey and find your perfect ride. Starting with the Lascuda Ki scooter, a marvel in the realm of commuter scooters designed for individuals aged 6 and above. The adjustable and foldable scooter stands out for its versatility and ease of use. Crafted with a robust aluminum frame, it offers unparalleled durability while maintaining a lightweight structure for easy portability. The scooter boasts a height-adjustable handlebar, making it a perfect fit for riders of various ages and heights, ensuring comfort and control. The Lascuda is equipped with large, smooth rolling wheels that promise a stable and comfortable ride even on uneven urban terrains. Its foldable design means you can effortlessly carry it on public transport or store it compactly at home or work. Additionally, the scooter features a rear brake for safe stopping and non-slip deck that enhances riders' safety. Its combination of design, quality and usability makes the Lascuda Ki scooter a top choice for commuters seeking a reliable and stylish mode of transportation. Next up at number 2, we have the Razer PowerCore E90, a game-changer in the electric scooter category designed specifically for kids. This scooter redefines the concept of electric mobility with its innovative PowerCore technology, which offers 50% more ride time than its predecessors without compromising on speed or efficiency. The E90's design is both sleek and functional, featuring a durable steel frame and a vibrant color palette that appeals to younger riders. Its maintenance-free hub motor provides a smooth and consistent ride, while the hand-operated front brake ensures quick and safe stopping. The Razer PowerCore E90's lightweight design and kickstart feature make it easy for kids to handle, offering a fun and secure way to explore their surroundings. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a prolonged battery life, the scooter is perfect for kids looking to zip around their neighborhood or park in style and comfort. Coming in at number 3 is the Segway Ninebot E2 series. This adult electric scooter is a testament to advanced engineering and modern design. It's built for the urban commuter who values efficiency, speed and style. The E2 series stands out with its long-range battery life, allowing for extended commutes without the constant worry of recharging. Its powerful motor enables speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest scooters in its class. The scooter's lightweight and foldable design make it an ideal companion for public transportation or for storing in tight spaces. Its large, solid tires are designed to handle urban terrains with ease, offering a smooth and comfortable ride. The E2 series also features a Bluetooth connectivity option, allowing riders to customize their riding experience through the Segway app. This includes access to scooter diagnostics, anti-theft functions, and firmware updates, enhancing the scooter's usability and durability. Next at number 4, we have a Skidee folding scooter for adults and teens merges functionality with fun. Its robust design caters to riders looking for a dependable and enjoyable mode of transport. The scooter's adjustable handlebar allows for riders of different heights to find their perfect stance, while its easy folding mechanism ensures it can be carried and stored without hassle. The Skidee scooter is equipped with high-quality, large wheels that provide a silky smooth ride across various surfaces, ensuring stability and speed. Its durable construction guarantees longevity, making it a wise investment for those who commute regularly. Additionally, the scooter comes with a convenient carry strap and a kickstand, making it practical for everyday use. Whether you are commuting to work, school, or just cruising around town, the Skidee scooter offers a blend of performance, comfort, and style that's hard to beat. The number 5 position is held by Hover1 Journey. This product stands out in the commuter scooter market for its blend of efficiency and design. Crafted for the urban adventurer, its sleek frame not only looks good but is built to last, with a top speed of 14 miles per hour and a range of 16 miles on a single charge. It's perfect for those looking to add a bit of zip to their daily commute without compromising on distance. Quality is at the forefront of the Hover1 journey. It features a robust, foldable design that makes it easy to carry on public transport or store away at home or at the office. The durability of the scooter is evident in its solid tires that can handle a variety of urban terrains, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Usability and features are where the Hover One journey really shines. Its intuitive controls make it accessible to riders of all levels, while the built-in LED lights provide visibility and safety during early morning rides or late-night commutes. Its balance of design, quality and functionality makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish commuter scooter. Number 6 position is dominated by Phantomgogo Commuter R1 electric scooter with seat. Enter the world of comfort and convenience with the Phantomgogo Commuter R1. This electric scooter is designed for those who prefer a seated ride, combining the ease of an electric scooter with the comfort of a bike. Its unique selling point is the inclusion of a seat, making long commutes more comfortable and accessible for a wide range of riders. The build quality of the Phantomgogo R1 is noteworthy. It's constructed to withstand the rises of daily use while providing a smooth ride. The scooter's frame is sturdy and its seat is adjustable and padded for optimum comfort. This is a scooter that doesn't just move you from point A to point B, it does so with your comfort in mind. Feature-wise, the Phantomgogo R1 is equipped with a powerful motor that can tackle inclines with ease, making it ideal for cities with varied topography. The battery life is impressive, ensuring that it can cover significant distances without the worry of running out of power mid-journey. For those seeking a blend of comfort, durability and performance in their commuter scooter, the Phantomgogo R1 is an outstanding choice. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the iScooter OffRoad electric scooter 25 mph. For the adventurous soul, the iScooter OffRoad electric scooter is a dream come true. It's designed for those who refuse to be limited by the urban landscape, offering the capability to explore beyond the city streets with its off-road capabilities. With a top speed of 20 mph, it stands out as one of the fastest scooters in a lineup, perfect for thrill seekers and efficiency lovers alike. The design and quality of the iScooter OffRoad are built with durability in mind. Its robust frame and off-road tires are designed to tackle rough terrains, ensuring a reliable and exhilarating ride. The scooter's waterproof rating also means that a little rain won't dampen your adventurous spirit or your commute. Its usability extends beyond just its off-road capabilities. The iScooter OffRoad is equipped with a powerful battery, ensuring long-lasting rides and minimizing downtime. Its speed and durability make it an excellent choice for those looking for a scooter that can keep up with the dynamic lifestyle both in and out of the city. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the top 7 commuter scooters to elevate your urban mobility experience. From sleek designs to robust off-road capabilities, there's a scooter for every type of city dweller. Remember, the right scooter can transform your commute into the highlight of your day. Ride safe and see you in the next review.